Hey everyone, it's the first new video I'm making in a very long time. So I have this Game Boy that's showing me the famous lines on the front of the screen. So what you need is a tri-wing screw tip, about at least a 3.0 millimeter one. So you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. And then when you open it up, you have to remove the motherboard. And that has a few screws, though they have Phillips screwdrivers. You don't need a big one. So you have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have about 10 of them. So once you have all of that out, you have to kind of pop the motherboard, or the screen motherboard, or I don't know what you want to call it. You have to pop it up, pop it out. It's kind of glued on slightly. So there you go. And what you want to do here is grab some batteries, turn it on, and I'll show you how to get those lines gone and have a nice brand new working Game Boy. Alright, so I put in the batteries. Let's turn it on. So like you can see, you put it, use the little not a toggle, but whatever this thing would be called, to make the screen full black like that. You can see where you have to fix things. Next, you have to remove this over here to expose the area where you need to put the heat. There you go. So you see, this is where you're going to apply the heat with your heat, not the heat gun, but with your soldering iron. And this should fix the lines. Best thing to do is not to put a lot of heat. It's very resistant, this ribbon, but you also don't want to mess it up and damage it. So all you have to do is put a little bit of heat like this. Don't leave it on too long, like you can limit the damage. You can already see it starting to fix. Let's do this side here. Yeah, you're gonna have to do it a few times to like really get things going. There you go. This right side looks like it's almost fully done. It's still flickering, but that just might be from the heat and it cooling. So that's done on that side. Let's leave that cool off a bit. Yeah, it's almost fully done. There's a few more lines. Probably need to put a little bit more. So the more you do it, sometimes kind of creates new lines, so you have to get everything, have everything cool. So see, yeah, now it's pretty much perfect. So now all you have to do is Put it all back together and you have yourself a working Game Boy with a nice screen. So I put it all together. I changed the screen so we don't have scratches. It'll look brand new. Screens cost about $10. Put the game in and look at that. Nice clean screen. The Nintendo and the game. Everything works perfectly. So it's that simple. It's a maximum 10-minute job. Open up the console, remove the screws and everything, you're good to go.